Welcome everyone to the University of New Hampshire, or UNH. This mid-sized public university has it all. A classic New England setting, hundreds of programs, Division I athletics, welcoming students, a top sustainability rating, and world-class research. No surprise then that it consistently ranks as a top 10 best value public university by US News and World Report. Today we're on the main campus in Durham, but you can also find Wildcats roaming at their city campus in Manchester, at the UNH Franklin Pierce School of Law in Concord, or earning their degrees totally online. I'm your host, Alex Boylan, and over the next half hour, we're going to encounter some UNH Wildcats in their natural settings and hear the inspiring stories of an inventor, a turtle rescuer, an aspiring astronaut, an ocean engineer, and many more. Welcome to the University of New Hampshire. This is the College Tour.